Today's Lakeside Video Diary is brought to you by Madden Contracting in Sibley. Thank you for your support.
You might want to bring it back in.
What, just get stuck up there? Oh, hi, look!
So cool.
That's us! Look at Todd waving.
I want to try the first person.
Hold on, make sure I don't cut your head off.
Yeah. Cut my head off. I cut your head off.
Mr. Kamak, what do we have here today?
Well, we have a Mavic 2 Pro drone, just came in. This is a top of the line drone, shoots in 4K. Pretty neat little drone. Beavers and I got trained in this over the summer. I scored higher, I'm just saying, you know. I scored higher. I'm just kidding. But I did, I'm not kidding though, I really did. So we got to figure this thing out, but it's actually more advanced than even the one that we trained with. But even though it's a very compact size, it's going to do everything that we need it to. We just got to figure it out. So, yeah, go ahead.
What are some of your plans? So here it is. Today is Wednesday. Drone came in yesterday. Mr. Kamak wasn't here. He was sick, so we had to wait. All right. You know, I guess he was studying for his test so he could make higher on something else. Yes. And anyway, intro music, yes. And so anyway, now we're putting it together. We're licensed pilots. I don't even know what that is. It looks fancy though. Go ahead. What's that?
This is actually a device that you can wear and fly it in first person. So you can actually use the app, put the phone in here, and it gives you a first-person perspective of flying the drone.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty neat. So we didn't even have that in training. So that's what this is.
What's some of the first steps? What are your plans for first steps with this?
Well, you know, we're going to definitely use it at things like football games, like having the runouts. Anytime we do anything like a pep rally, we're going to try to incorporate it into that. Really, all the videos that we see that Beavers has been putting out every day, this is just going to help us get it up to the next level. We got new cameras coming in. We got the new Mac. Film it. Yeah. That's a beast right there. All our production will be done on that Mac. So we also have a 4K video camera coming in. So all these things are really going to bring our production up to the next level. It's going to be revolutionary for this area for sure.
Aircraft status bar and display is ready to go. It does. Alright, auto takeoff.
There it is.
There we go.
Right, back up, lady.
Don't fly it over people's heads. Remember the rules.
Kamak is over here grinning some kind of hard.
Thomas, visual observer, pilot in command, Mr. Kamak.